Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to share with you how I turned my coat closet into a prepper pantry. And I'm going to start over here. I bought this shoe rack at Walmart. And I put these little snacks in here. It has some beef jerky and chips and these little snacks here that I got at Costco. Little nut mix there. Some candy, you gotta have that. And I put these little paper clips on it to kind of hold it up. But for under $10, you can get this shoe rack at Walmart, and it really helps you save on space. It's over the door. And up here, I have all my paper goods up here. Paper plates and forks. I probably have another 2 feet up there to put stuff. And on this shelf, I put all the beans. I have dried beans and canned beans. And I put this little light up here, battery operated, in case the electricity goes out. I can see in here. And I also have a flashlight. I bought this laundry bag. It's actually a laundry bag and it's mesh, but I put my onions in there. You can put potatoes in there too. I have this little hook here to hang it from, my scissors. And over here on this side we have our vitamins and different stuff in here to hold stuff. And macaroni and cheese. I bought this little cart at Target, and they couldn't find a price on it, so she gave it to me for $10. And then I bought these little plastic containers here to hold this stuff. They just fit, and I bought that at Target. So I have some chips and just some little snacks here and pasta down there, and then some miscellaneous stuff right there in that plastic. And on the little stool, I put this little Lazy Susan on there with my jams and stuff. And electricity goes out, you got a no-bake pie crust and pie filling, cherry. And I got this little caddy at TJ Maxx and filled it with water. We also have more water out in another area. And I bought, these are canned goods, all our chilies and beans and different stuff here on the second shelf. Condiments here, the extra ones. And the rice. A bunch of rice here, and peanut butter, ketchup. And this Jiffy box here, we got a case of that. We got that at Walmart for $10 a box. So it's a pretty good deal there. But that's my prepper pantry. Just to give you guys some ideas. I have my extra foil up there, some paper towels, my gloves, freezer bags. But this closet here, it's a coat closet, and it's not too far from my pantry and my kitchen. As you can see, I wanted to show you my beautiful roses, but they were Oklahoma roses that we grew here at the yard. My husband brought them in to me the other day. They're so pretty. But you can see that it's not that far. And here's my pantry. Up at the top, I put some extra rice. We had bought 25 pounds of rice, and I put them in different containers to seal them up. And then my oatmeal and coffee up there on the top shelf. And all cereal here, oats. And this one has, I bought this container at Target, and it has all of our teas in it. This one has some more oatmeals. But I just love this copper baskets. This one has our crackers in it, extra crackers. And I bought these at Target, these little white containers, and I put a bread and miscellaneous stuff there, cake mix and stuff there. But this one has, I bought one of these things to hold our canned goods. It's 3 levels of it. And this little stand here, it was actually for our spice rack, but I put the smaller cans on that one, and it just fit right in there. It's like putting a puzzle together. Then I have the steps there that has some of our miscellaneous soups and syrups and honeys and different things on there. And then I have my Lazy Susan with all my husband's, well, some of my husband's spices on them. My little bread basket. Canned goods over here. Ham and some Spam. And on this shelf, I had bought some containers to put some of my things in. We got some raisins, and that is this glass one back here. There's the sugar in it. And we have flour, more rice, some candy, some noodles and brown sugar, couscous. And I just love these containers here. I got those at Target, and they stack up on each other. They're glass. This one's glass too, that has the elbow noodles in it. Coffee back there, and powdered sugar. So that's how I did that one. And over here I put this little shelf up here, so you can actually push these underneath, or you can bring them out. Just little snacks here, and some oatmeal, instant oatmeal. I like those because you just have to add water. And you gotta have your jelly beans. I don't like the black ones, but my husband does. But I got me some regular ones. Chocolate chips, raisins. We got peanut butter over here, and nut butters, Nutella. And this one I have my chips in. I got this container here. Has chips and croutons and some nuts and tortillas. And this one I put my chips in. Some graham crackers here. I just love these shelves. They hang on them, on the other shelves. And I put my canned goods, my meats and gravies and mushrooms there. And down on this one I put my cream of mushroom and cream of chicken soups. No more snacks there. I bought those little tarts at Costco. Some hot chocolate and some noodles there, mac and cheese over here in that basket. And down under here in this big basket, I have some waffle mix and cornbread mix and some brown rice. It's easy to get to, just pull that out. And our sparkling water container for that. And Lazy Susan for my oils here. And a basket for my potatoes. And I still need to fill the containers in the back there. I have some glass ones, and I need to get some all-purpose flour, or self-rising flour is what I need. That's my prepper pantry and my kitchen pantry. But I hope you guys got some ideas. Now's the time to buy. I know groceries are going up and there's a shortage of food. They said it's coming. I don't know. And here where I live in my town and here in California, I haven't seen a shortage yet. Seems like everything I need is right there on the shelf. So one last look here. My beautiful flowers, roses. So it's not very far, like I said. My vitamins there. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.